Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro Review, bigger display and upgraded features. Imagine a smartwatch that's not only stylish, but also packed with features to help you take your fitness journey to the next level. Nothing's latest release, the CMF Watch 3 Pro, is making waves in the tech world with its impressive specs and affordable price tag. But here's the catch: it's ditched one of its most unique features, swappable bezels. Jess Weatherbed, a renowned news writer, has been following the story and gives us the lowdown. The Watch 3 Pro is available globally starting today for $99, although it's currently on sale for $79. So, what's new and what's missing? Let's dive in. The 1.43-inch OLED display is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Watch Pro 2, with a 10% increase in screen-to-body ratio. This means you get more screen real estate to track your progress, receive notifications, and control your music playlists. The Watch 3 Pro comes in 3 sleek color options: dark gray, light gray, and orange. However, the absence of swappable bezels might be a deal-breaker for some fans of the brand. The Watch Pro 2's customizable bezels allowed users to personalize their watch's appearance, making it a standout feature in the market. But Nothing has chosen to focus on other aspects of the device, and it's not hard to see why. The Watch 3 Pro boasts an impressive array of features, including 131 sports modes, a new 4-channel heart rate sensor for improved accuracy, and AI-powered coaching and post-workout summaries. These features provide personalized running plans and fitness insights, helping you optimize your workouts and reach your goals faster. The dual-band GPS is another major highlight, offering better signal stability and precision for more accurate route tracking in any environment. According to Nothing, the Watch 3 Pro fully charges in approximately 99 minutes and delivers up to 13 days of battery life under typical use. This is a 2-day increase compared to the previous model, although heavier tracking reduces the battery life to 11 days, and enabling the always-on display cuts it down to around 4.5 days. Users can manage the Watch 3 Pro's features via Nothing's X App Control Center, which has been revamped with a new UI and supports integrations with popular fitness platforms like Strava, Apple Health, and Google Health Connect. It's worth noting that the older CMF Watch Pro and Watch Pro 2 models will also be transitioning to the Nothing X app, ensuring a seamless experience across the brand's ecosystem. One aspect that might raise some eyebrows is the inconsistent naming convention between the Watch Pro 2 and the new Watch 3 Pro. This isn't the first time Nothing CMF brand has done this, as seen with the Buds Pro 2 and Buds 2 Plus earbuds. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you think the lack of swappable bezels is a significant drawback, or are the Watch 3 Pro's upgraded features enough to make up for it? And this is the part most people miss. The Watch 3 Pro's affordable price point and impressive specs make it an attractive option for fitness enthusiasts on a budget. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Watch 3 Pro, or do you think Nothing has made a mistake by ditching the swappable bezels? Let us know in the comments. As we continue to explore the world of smartwatches and fitness trackers, one thing is clear: the market is evolving rapidly, and brands must adapt to meet the changing needs of consumers. Will Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro be a game changer, or will it get lost in the crowd? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the conversation is just getting started. Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro unboxing and review, bigger screen, longer battery life, higher price tag. The CMF Watch 3 Pro has officially arrived, and it's making waves with its impressive features. This latest offering from Nothing boasts a larger display, enhanced battery life, and, regrettably, a higher price point. Interestingly, despite being called the Watch 3 Pro, it follows the previous model known as the Watch Pro 2. This new iteration showcases a meticulously crafted metal frame paired with a soft-touch silicone strap, ensuring both durability and comfort. The display has been upgraded to a generous 1.43 inches, an increase from the previous 1.32 inches, and it shines brighter with a peak brightness of 650 nits, up from 620 nits. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, 326 ppi, and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, users can enjoy a vibrant visual experience. Additionally, the watch offers over 120 customizable watch faces, ranging from animated to interactive designs, allowing for personal expression. Navigation remains user-friendly with the inclusion of a rotating crown, just like its predecessor. When comparing the CMF Watch Pro 2 and the CMF Watch 3 Pro, the differences are evident. Some watch faces are specifically designed for the always-on display (AOD) mode, which is a notable feature. The new model is powered by a larger 350 mAh battery, capable of lasting up to 13 days under typical usage conditions, without AOD, and up to 3.5 days with AOD activated. A full charge takes approximately 99 minutes, which is a slight improvement over the previous model's 305 mAh battery that promised up to 11 days of typical use. The CMF Watch 3 Pro's larger display necessitates a larger body, measuring 47 mm in diameter. The weight and other dimensions vary based on the color choice, as different bezels are available. Here's a quick overview of the specifications. *** available colors *** dark gray, light gray, orange. *** dimensions *** width 47 mm, depth 14.4 mm, dark gray 15.2 mm, light gray 14.5 mm, orange. Weight 51.9 g, dark gray 51.0 g, light gray 52.4 g, orange. Material: metal body with a liquid silicone strap. It's important to choose your color wisely, as the only hardware customization option available is the removable straps. The bezel is fixed. For fitness enthusiasts, the Watch 3 Pro supports an impressive 131 sports modes, covering everything from high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to yoga. It features smart activity detection, which automatically begins tracking your workout sessions. Before you dive into your routine, the watch can even guide you through a quick warm-up using engaging 3D animations. Designed for outdoor adventures, the watch holds an IP68 rating, meaning it can withstand splashes and rain, though swimming is not recommended. Positioning accuracy has been enhanced with dual-band GPS support, L1 plus L5, along with compatibility for GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and QZSS. Communication is seamless with Bluetooth calling capabilities, featuring 2 MEMS microphones, a speaker, and AI-driven noise reduction technology. Users can also utilize gesture controls to activate certain functions, such as flipping the watch or shaking it twice. Music controls and a Do Not Disturb toggle are conveniently accessible. But that's not all. The CMF Watch 3 Pro integrates ChatGPT, allowing users to ask questions directly from their wrist. This feature also serves as a running coach, providing guidance during workouts. Additionally, users can record voice notes, which will be automatically transcribed, and the watch can read out the latest headlines on topics of interest through the Essential News feature. The CMF Watch 3 Pro is now available in various countries, priced at $99. https://nothing.tech/products/CMF-Watch-3-Pro ? Color =light plus gray, £99. https://nothing.tech/products/cmf-watch-3-pro ? Color =dark+gray or €99. https://de.nothing.tech/products/cmf-watch-3-pro Farbie Interestingly, the US site is currently offering a promotional price of $79, which is still higher than the previous model's price of $69, £69, €69. You can find the CMF Watch 3 Pro on Nothing.tech. https://nothing.tech/products/cmf-watch-3-pro, and it will soon be available through various retailers as well. In conclusion, the CMF Watch 3 Pro is a significant upgrade, but does the higher price justify the enhancements? What are your thoughts on the new features? Are you excited about the integration of AI like ChatGPT into wearable technology? Share your opinions in the comments below. Nothing CMF Watch 3 Pro, an affordable smartwatch with impressive fitness features. Breaking the smartwatch price barrier. Can a $99 timepiece really deliver? Are you tired of breaking the bank every time you want to upgrade your personal tech arsenal? The constant splurging on phones, laptops, and headphones can be overwhelming. But what if we told you that the latest smartwatch from CMF, a sub-brand of London-based Nothing, is about to shake things up with a price tag that's music to your wallet's ears, a mere $99. The controversy. Can affordable really mean quality? But here's where it gets interesting. CMF's Watch 3 Pro, launched alongside the flagship Nothing Phone 3, promises to deliver impressive fitness tracking features without the hefty price tag. Available now on Nothing's website in 3 sleek colors, dark gray, light gray, and a vibrant orange, this watch dares to challenge the status quo of high-end smartwatches. Unpacking the Watch 3 Pro's impressive specs. Battery life. Boasting up to 13 days of battery life, as per Nothing's specifications, making it a reliable companion for your daily health and fitness pursuits. GPS precision. Equipped with a dual-band 5-system GPS setup, ensuring stable signals and accurate location tracking, a feature typically found in more expensive models. Heart rate monitoring. A 4-channel heart rate sensor provides precise readings during workouts, coupled with an expansive 130 activity modes to cater to diverse fitness interests. AI-powered insights. Post-workout, receive detailed summaries and recovery guidance, all powered by AI. Plus, leverage ChatGPT integration for on-the-go queries and utilize the built-in voice recorder with auto-transcription for capturing notes and ideas seamlessly. Design. Subtle yet customizable. While Nothing and CMF's design aesthetic may not appeal to everyone, the Watch 3 Pro adopts a more understated approach with slim bezels on its round watch face and soft silicone bands. With over 120 watch face customization options, personalizing this affordable timepiece to reflect your style is effortless. The question on everyone's mind. Can a smartwatch that's less than $100 truly compete with the market's best? We'd love to hear from you. Do you think the CMF Watch 3 Pro is about to disrupt the smartwatch market, or is there a catch to its affordability? Share your thoughts in the comments below.